Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for audio. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now our first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot, and we notice multiple reactions from these long wicks and this clear candle body close before a drastic reversal to the downside. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we see price come down, hit, reverse, and as price comes back down, hits, and we see a reaction acting as support. So we can also go ahead and plot this weekly swing or monthly swing low as we see price come down, hit, and reversed with lots of volume here, showing a clear level of support. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and plot this weekly swing high here. And we also notice a clear level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And we see this long wick here attempting to reach the same key level. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Another clear level right here. On the weekly chart, we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, resistance, and support. Let's go ahead and plot one more key level right here. As we see price come down, come back up, hit, and reverse, creating this level of resistance here. Now we see a lot of price action around the same key level, but we notice over here another reaction acting as resistance before reversing to the downside. Now, looking at more recent price action, what can we see? Right here is the most recent resistance level where price came up, hit, reversed drastically to the downside. Now we can also plot a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support, and as price breaks through, retest the level acting as a resistance. And when we see price come back up, we see reaction acting as resistance here. So our last key level that we can go ahead and plot is right here, which is obvious to see as price comes up, it hits this key level and reverses drastically. Now we can see prices at the same key level, so we could expect to look for a reaction within the lower time frames. So zooming out, these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.